guys, this is what a mummy sounds like.
1,000 years, scientists were able to create this one sound of what this person probably sounded like.
That's a mummy speaking.
That is what a 3,000-year-old mummy sounds like. This driver ran into a giant rock and didn't even really seem to notice.
And that is what a mummy sounds like. And let's see how much subscribers we have. Alright, so if this turns to 200, I'm gonna give my first ever fan like something good in Pet Simulator X. So just this has to turn. The views has to turn into 200. Or my first ever fan, I'll give him his name. I don't think he's my fan anymore. Let's search up. Red Tarek. Okay. Let's see. This is actually his voice.
You might like it. I think it has this emoji, and you might like that.
Where's Mr. Cheese? Oh, I'm just gonna search up. First ever video. This is actually my cousin. If you wanna know, you should subscribe to me. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not subscribed. Yep, and this is my fan. Oh my god, that's so good. Okay. I'll try to make a video and a video and a video. Okay. That didn't go well. Seriously, that's noise. It's gone. that will be today's video.